Good evening. This afternoon, Tuscaloosa was devastated by a tornado which has created death and destruction across our city. To my fellow citizens who are hurting tonight, in the days, weeks, and months ahead, the city will rise to meet these challenges by dedicating every available resource. Of course, the real recovery will be seen in the relentless spirit of our citizens. Throughout Tuscaloosa, citizens are reaching out to each other, demonstrating that our strength and our faith will overcome all, even in this darkest hour. As we stand shoulder to shoulder with our fellow neighbors, I'm requesting that all citizens avoid travel as much as possible so that we can provide the necessary responses in our neighborhoods and in our streets. As of 7:30 p.m., we have 15 confirmed fatalities, and I'm afraid that number is going to be ever increasing. We have well over 100 injuries throughout the city of Tuscaloosa. We have hundreds of homes and businesses destroyed and hundreds more damaged. Dozens of city roads are impassable, and we have 83,000 customers who do not have power. The city's infrastructure has been decimated. EMA has been severely damaged, and we have been forced to relocate that to the Tuscaloosa Police Department. Environmental services and its fleet have been hit very hard and have made it inoperable for the time being. The city's main communication tower has been damaged, creating multiple response issues throughout the city. Fire Station 4 has been severely damaged. The East Tuscaloosa precinct has also been severely damaged. The Ed Love water treatment plant has been damaged, but it is operational. As of 5:30 p.m., I signed a declaration of disaster invoking powers to effectively deal with this destruction. In a few moments, I will ask the City Council to pass a resolution providing further emergency powers that will allow us to appropriate funds, issue contracts, establish curfews, and authorize other necessary actions to ensure the health, safety, and welfare of our fellow citizens. As I close, I am reminded of Romans 12, verses 12 through 13, where Paul tells us to rejoice in our confident hope, be patient in trouble, and keep praying. When God's people are in need, be ready to help them. Tragedy and destruction has encompassed our city, but it will not conquer us. Rather, it will inspire us to demonstrate our patience, our faith, and our confidence that a new day